This is my customer's Vax Blade 4 vacuum cleaner, and the suction's really bad, but she's actually done everything right. She's checked for blockages, she's checked that the little hose on the floor tool isn't split or blocked, and last week she also did the best thing that she could have done and bought a brand new filter, but the suction is still really bad. If this all sounds familiar, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to cure the problem and you don't need any special tools. Firstly, we're going to start by removing the bin from the vacuum cleaner. You just press this and release. If you open up the bin lid, you will see where the filter is. Take that out and then you can pull this insert out. And that's the bit that we're going to be looking at today. There's 3 cross-headed screws, we just need to undo those. Once you've undone those, you can pull this part off, but I'm just going to show you here, when you put it back together later, this little cutout here lines up with this cutout on the black housing, okay? Right, so pull off this cover, and then you've got a gasket inside, put that to one side, and then the little part that fits inside. Now, if you look inside this part, here is where the problem is. You've got this little mesh grill that goes around the edge. Now, if you look closely, all the dust has totally blocked that grill. So, when you put that back in, I'll show you, the air should be circulating from the motor, sucking through that grill, and then in where you want the suction to come from. But when it's like this, there's no chance of the air getting through, so it's basically created a blockage right in front of the motor. If you want to use your vacuum today, the best thing to do is get a dry toothbrush and then scrub away at the grill. Move around, but this is basically just one section that I've done, look, and that's what it should look like, so you can see light through it. Talking of which, you also need to check this main filter too. You should be able to see light through it. If you get a torch and hold it up and make sure that there's light shining through. If there isn't, this needs cleaning, or you can replace it too. Basically, if it's blocked, it's doing the same thing as that filter was, creating a blockage right in front of your motor. If you're not in a rush to use your vacuum cleaner, the best thing to do is take these plastic parts, go to the sink, fill it with some warm water, bit of washing up liquid, get your brush and just rinse it and clean it thoroughly until everything is absolutely shiny spanking new, okay? Then, once it's fully dry after around 24 hours, just put it back together in reverse order, remembering to line up that little cutout on the plastic so it all fits fine, and then you can put it back in your vacuum cleaner, get back to cleaning, and your suction will be back up to new. I hope this video has helped. Please subscribe to my channel in case you ever need me again. I do have loads of other Vax Blade videos in case your floor tool stops working or anything like that.